load that. Okay, but I want to
Uh,
now.
can you talk about your post on the more about? I'd like to know more about is the beta sheets person.
Oh, this one?
Does it
Yeah,
bind to anything or is it just completely de novo?
it's completely de novo. It doesn't bind to anything. The purpose of this was to prove that we can make, first of all, something like this using Rosetta methods, and to learn how these proteins actually are made in nature. Learn about folding. Learn about how do you make something so thermostable as well, and then also just make principles for future designers, right? So we made principles for as rules that govern design. For instance, in green are all the hydrophobic residues that make up the core of this protein, which is why it's so stable. It's like a rock essentially because it's packed all throughout. There's no hole in between. There are no like cavities in between. Whereas a ligand binding protein or an enzyme or something would have such a huge cavity here where water is accessible. This does not. And so what that means is essentially you have what's called this hydrogen bonding caging thing that happens where basically hydrogen bonds form around the molecule, pushing all the hydrophobic residues together. These start associating with van der Waals forces and they basically make a tight packed core. Externally, you're seeing all the moieties that are polar interactions, right? So you see your aspartates, your arginines, your lysines, they're all on the surface. And so they are interacting with water molecules all across there. One thing with beta sheet type proteins that we have to make sure of is we don't have, what is that? Oh, is McGregor fall out and then come back? Let me see if I can get him back in. I think that's what the noise is, right? I think that's him. Yep, it's him. Yep, let's put him back in. More life. What are you? I see you're still here. What do you think about this as well? Oh, some comments in the chat. What comments do we have? What is this? AI viewers. Okay, we have garbage. Okay, if you go to this link right here, you can actually see what I'm doing from the 2D interface on your computer. You can actually see the workspace in your on your computer. If you go to this link right here. Oh, not this link. The link in the private chat. Sorry, I can't actually put it on there. It's on the private chat.